Although Shape supports distribution rules as leads enter the system, some companies may want to distribute their leads prior to entering Shape and bypass the distribution rules altogether. In order to assign leads through Post URL, you'll need to use the user ID or usernames exactly as they appear in Shape prior to them coming into Shape with a Post URL or webhook. Let's navigate to our Marketing Sources Settings page to find the default field mappings that you'll need to get this information into Shape. This is also where you'll go to add sources and subsequently create post URLs. Feel free to open up the source. You'll click Choose and Edit, and then scroll down, and you'll see Campaign Source Post URL Instructions. This is the post URL that you use to get this into Shape, and these are all of our field mappings. To find the user field mappings, all you have to do is type user next to the magnifying glass. And as you can see, here are the field names for the loan officer user, the loan partner user, and the portal user. So these will be the field mappings. If you would like an entire export of these field mappings, feel free to come up here and click Export and CSV. Next, we'll go to our Manage Users Settings page to find user IDs or to see how exactly the user's name is in Shape. As you can see here, there's a user ID column, and this number here is the user ID number for that particular user. So this is the number that you will use with that field mapping. If you don't use the user ID, you'll need to be sure that you have the name exactly as it is here in Shape. If you have any questions regarding assigning records prior to them entering Shape via post URL, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.